What's going on, everybody? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to you today about is how these mail order programs really make you a lot of money. I've been mail order marketing now, let's see, for about 10 or 11 years now. And it's been one awesome ride mailing these flyers or whatnot. Uh, I mean, I've seen so many people have success with these high converting flyers that it's not even funny. I mean, it's nothing like, going to your mailbox every day, you know, not only you checking your mail, but you get money too just to go to the mailbox. I mean, years and years and back, stuff like this, didn't even exist. And now you just make one trip a day to the mailbox and take out like 500, 100. It just depends on how the program design, for what size commission you going to get. But all I got to say is I absolutely love it. Like this flyer that you're seeing right now, the $500 cash machine, the name sums it all up because that's exactly what this thing is. It is a $500 cash machine. And it can create you residual income if you get people to duplicate what you're doing, which is mailing out on a consistent basis, whether that's 25 or 50 cards. I'm thinking about postcards. I mean, 25 to 50 flyers a week or 100 flyers every day, every few days, just depends on your budget. And you can see how all the colors and how beautifully designed that it converts. I'm here to tell you this thing converts like clockwork. And as you see on my flyers, I have 3 free spaces. So to get started, all you had to do is send me 500, send my sponsor, well, my sponsors happen to be the program monitor, send him 500, and then you're going to get your mail report. It's going to show you how to generate a lot of money uh, and how to approach, the mail order business. But I'm telling you, this thing is a cash cow. And not only when you join me, you're going to get those 3 free spaces or whatnot. That's my phone in the background. But you're gonna get I mean, what did I say? You're gonna on my flyer is 3 free spaces, so you're gonna save $1,500. And not only that, when you join me, you're gonna get Millionaire Mailers 1, 2, and 3 for free. So I mean, it just can get crazy, but nothing is really gonna happen, or nothing's not gonna happen rather, if you don't take action. So for $1,000, you can get started, get serious, get you some uh, flyers in the mail, order you some mailing lists, and get you some posters and get the word out there and start receiving $500 payments in the mail. And then when you get your downline to duplicate, you'll be receiving 500 off of them as well. But this work at home stuff, that's exactly what it is. Work at home. Some people get caught up in, mailing 2 letters and think, $500 is gonna come. It's not like that. It's actually that's the word. I mean, it's all in the word work at home. You at home, but it still requires work to make money. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. But I'm not saying you got to know everything, but you do have to work to start receiving this, type of money in the mail. But you can do it. Like I say, you're gonna get the mail report, and you're gonna get Millionaire Mailers 1, 2, and 3, and it's just a win-win. And then you can contact me for further tips or whatnot. If you want to request my mail order, the richest guide, you can get that as well. So, um, you know, also I give you my list of mailing list resources. So, I mean, that's more than enough right there for you to get going or whatnot. So, uh, mail order programs, I'm telling y'all, are for real. It might be somebody looking at this video who've never been involved with a mail order program. And it's very easier for people to get involved with this type of stuff because a lot of people don't want to learn all the internet tech stuff because some people just not cut out for it, and the learning curve is much more complicated than just taking a flyer, putting it in the mail, putting a stamp on it, addressing it. So, with that being said, these mail order programs are real. They can make you a lot of money, and I don't promote scam stuff. So, uh, just to let you know, this is the real deal. So, if you're looking to get started in mail order, I'm gonna put a link to my blog below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell, and get started today. Also, when you go by my mail order programs blog, make sure you click on the mail order programs tab and check out my 2 stamp programs because they are absolutely on fire. Because the biggest complaint I hear the most of is the postage is so expensive when I want to mail out a lot of flyers. So to me, it's a must join if you're going to get involved with a program that's going to make you some money, because that will, once you get your stamp program off and running, that will really, really uh, deduct a lot of your postage costs. So, like I said, go over there to my mail order programs page or blog, and go to mail order programs tab. And you can click on the other tabs and just have, a tour of my blog. So, like I say, subscribe and click that notification bell. And remember, this cannot happen for you if you do not take action. So, with that being said, I'm signing out. Y'all have a wonderful day.